Donation management is seat-based. Every colleague who uses it needs a seat. The trial gave us one, for the administrator. To bring in our 2 officers, we buy 2 more seats. Further down the sidebar we open the module store. We open the donation management module. Down here is get more seats. We set how many extra users we need, 2, 1 for each officer. The price is prorated to the days left in our subscription, so we only pay for the time we actually use. We click to get the seats. The checkout opens with the full breakdown, the price per user, the number of users, the days remaining, and the prorated total we pay today. Then we choose how to pay, by card through Flutterwave, or by bank transfer through Monify. Once the payment is confirmed, the seats are added to our subscription straight away. For this walkthrough, our 2 seats are already on the account, so we close the checkout and go straight to assigning them. We open Manage Seats. This is my modules, with every add-on and its seat usage. For donation management we open Seats. Here are our seats, how many we have, how many are assigned, and how many are still available. We have 2 free seats. We assign the first to Grace, one of our program officers, and click Assign. Grace now holds a seat. We do exactly the same for Tond, our field officer. Both officers are seated. Donation management now appears in their sidebars too, with the right permissions. Unassigning a seat is just as easy, and frees it for someone else.